Alright, so here it is. His name is Stuart Wilson. Dude is a legend. He's only 15 years old and he's an entrepreneur. And this is a video we are breaking down. So first of all, the biggest problem I see on this thumbnail is that the text isn't visible enough. If you look at the sidebar of YouTube's homepage, you can see it's very small. And if someone was watching a video and got suggested this guy's video, Stuart's video, he won't click on the video because it's not exactly visible, and I don't think he executed that concept really well here. And for your information, I fully watched this video because there was so much good value in it, even though he's young. Mm, so I know what he's talking about in this video. And next up, his title. The title is already amazing. I'm not going to change much about the title. Yeah, so this is the current packaging of his latest video. Now I'm going to show you the redesigned version. So in his video, he talks about finding your niche is one of the important things, and don't change it again and again. Just go all in on one niche, because that you will get enough experience on that niche. This is the thumbnail I design, and I think we can use this same title. What I try to do in this thumbnail is that make a curiosity gap, find your niche, and when you see this one with the magnifying glass, uh, it will stop the scroll, but it won't get the click yet. Then the viewer will read the title. Easiest way to book 1 to 3 meetings a day as an SMMA beginner. So when people read this title, they wanna know how you can book 1 to 3 meetings a day by finding your niche. So this is the curiosity gap I made. We could try this without the text as well. Here are the two versions. So this is how I would improve his thumbnails. Also, I could have gone with the outreach in concept side, but I decided to do this because this is a unique one. So this is the bottom line. This video was actually very informative. I learned a lot from this video. First of all, you need to just simplify the thumbnail. If you look at this and this there are too much information. This is just a person with a magnifying glass and the text and some icons behind it to indicate their niches. Look, Stuart Wilson is an amazing guy. He's only 15 years old and he's done so much already. And this isn't about throwing shade, it's about the fact that even great content can underperform when the packaging doesn't match the quality inside. So the thumbnail and the title is your ad, basically your ad on YouTube. If you want me to break down more thumbnails, drop your favorite creators in the comments. I'll pick the best ones for the next video. And if this was useful, subscribe because we do this every week. And I'll see you in the next one.